Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix there is no theme.liquid in my Shopify store. So if you can't find theme.liquid in your Shopify theme editor, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Check if you're using a Shopify 2.0 theme. So Shopify 2.0 themes use different file structures, so theme.liquid might be replaced by layout or theme.liquid. So go to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, then navigate to themes and click on the action here, click on edit code. Now look inside the layout folder for theme.liquid. So you can see that layout is here. You can search for theme.liquid here and you will instantly find it. Now, another way is switching to an older theme. So some new Shopify themes no longer use theme.liquid. If your theme doesn't support it, try switching to an older theme like debut or minimal, which is still include the theme.liquid file. So you can scroll down from this page and use debut or minimal, search for it, then you can install the older themes for Shopify theme store. Now, another way is creating a theme.liquid file manually. So if it's missing, you can manually add it. Click layout and add a new layout button. Then name it theme.liquid and copy the default Shopify theme.liquid code there. You can do it by navigating here, navigating to edit code section, then under layout, clicking on add a new layout, then name it theme.liquid. You can also name the file name as theme.liquid, create it and copy the default Shopify theme.liquid code and paste it there. Now, if you have recently edited the theme and the file disappeared, go to Shopify admin, navigate to online store themes, click actions, edit code just on this page and click actions, then revert to an older version if available. Now, if nothing works, it may be a theme specific issue. Navigate to Shopify Help Center, provide details about your theme name and missing theme.liquid file. And that could also fix the problem. So these were the ways through which you can fix the problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching. So these were the ways.